Hey everyone, welcome to walletwords channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about the meaning and usage of the exclamation Aargh. Have you ever found yourself in a frustrating situation where you just want to scream out loud? Well, Aargh is the perfect word to express that feeling. It's an onomatopoeic representation of a groan or cry of distress. This word can be used in a variety of situations. For example, when you're stuck in traffic and you're running late, or when you are trying to complete a difficult task and you just can't seem to make any progress. It's a great way to let out your emotions and let others know how you are feeling without having to use any profanity or offensive language. So, the next time you find yourself in a frustrating situation, don't be afraid to let out an Aargh. It's a perfectly acceptable way to express your emotions and let off some steam. That's it for today's video. If you found this information helpful, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next video.